Hi guys, I'm going to go over the answers to the assessment that was on middle then, for you to have a wee look at and see if it fixes any problems for you. Okay, first question then, we're changing from 5 foot and 7 inches into metres. The first thing we do is we want to change everything into inches. Now we're told that 1 foot is 12 inches, we've got 5 feet, so we do 5 times 12 which gives us 60, we've got an extra 7 here. So we add it on. So altogether, this person is 67 inches tall. Now we need it into metric, not just in inches. We're told that 1 inch is 2.54 centimetres. So we need to times that by 2.54. Which is 170.18. Now that is centimetres. We don't want centimetres, we want it to metres and to 1 decimal place. To get from centimetres to metres, we need to divide by 100. That gives me 1.7018. Only want 1 decimal place, so it'll be 1.7 metres. Okay, question 2 is very similar. Instead of height this time, we're looking at weight. Told that 1 stone is 14 pounds, 1 pound is 454 grams. So this person weighs 8 stone, 10 pounds. So we're going to start with our 8 stone, times it by 14 to get it into pounds, which is 112. An extra 10 to add on, it's 122 pounds. We're going to go from pounds to grams by timesing by 454. That gives me 55,388. That is in grams. I want a weight in kilograms. There are 1,000 grams in a kilogram. So I need to divide by 1,000. Which is 55.388 kilograms. Again, I want 1 decimal place. That 8 is going to push that 3 up. So it'll be 55.4 kilograms. Obviously, in the assessment, you would just put in the 55.4. Don't put in the units. Okay, and the whole point of doing this then is so we can work out our BMI. And we need our answers. So answer A is 1.7 metres. Answer B was 55.4. BMI then is weight over height squared, which is 55.4 divided by 1.7 squared. Type that into a calculator. 55.4 divided by 1.7 squared, which is 19.17. And the question is asking us what category this is in. 19.17 is below 20, so the category this time would be underweight. Okay, next question. Newspaper claimed that there were 270 alcohol-related deaths per 100,000 of population. If we've got 145,000 people, how many deaths would be expected due to alcohol? Extra 0 there that I missed out. 1,450,000 people. How many deaths would be expected? Right, so that tells us that in every 100,000, 270 people die from alcohol. So we take our full amount. I think my answer's wrong for this in the assessment. Too many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, right, that's fine. And then we times it by the 270. Typing that into the calculator. 145,000 divided by 1,000,000. Check I've got the right number of zeros. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, times 270. And we get 3,915. Or maybe I did get it correct in the assessment after all. Just when I was looking at it there, I said the wrong thing. I'll put 2 equal signs in. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, that's the end of numerical section 1 then. Okay, so quite a lot in that first section. Section 2. Section 2 is all about your drug calculations. Okay, so a man weighs 90 kilograms and he's going to be given a course of medication based on weight, and the weight is going to be 10 milligrams for every kilogram. That's what that means. It's 10 milligrams per kilogram. This is to be administered every 6 hours over a period of 3 days. One tablet contains 50 milligrams. How many tablets should he take on each occasion? Okay, so we want to start by working out how much he's going to take in total. So he weighs 90 kilograms. For each of those kilograms, he gets 10 milligrams of medication. So altogether, he's going to get 900 milligrams of medication. One tablet contains 50 milligrams. So 900 divided by 50. We get 18. So altogether he needs to take 18 tablets. Okay, how many on each occasion then? He's going to take these over 3 days. So he's going to take 6 tablets each day. And he's going to take them every 6 hours. Now, every 6 hours doesn't mean he's going to take them 6 times per day. It means he's going to take them every 6 hours, which works out as 4 times per day. So he's got 6 tablets each day. He's going to take 4 tablets each day. So we're going to do 6 divided by 4, which is 1.5 tablets each time. Okay, next question. An antibiotic is prescribed as tablets which contain 200 milligrams. A server user is required to take 1 tablet twice a day for 7 days. How many grams of the drug will they take in total? Right, so they're taking 1 tablet twice a day for 7 days, which means altogether they're taking 14 tablets. Each tablet contains 200 milligrams. So if we do 14 times 200, we get 2,800. And just watch units here. It's 2,800 milligrams. And we're asked how many grams of the drug have they taken in total. There are 1,000 milligrams in a gram. So we divide by 1,000, it'll be 2.8 grams. Section 3, still drug calculations. Solution is available at 0.6% weight per volume. Just as a reminder, 0.6% weight per volume means 0.6 grams in 100 ml. That's what that means, okay? And that is what I've got. So that's my got. I want 12 grams, okay? So I want, back to my blue pen, 12 grams. I've got 0.6 grams in 100 ml. And I want to work out how many millilitres of solution I need. So I go back to my usual want over got, 12 divided by 0.6 times 1,000. Not 1,000, times 100. I'm in trouble with my zeros today. It's 12 divided by 0.6 times 1,000. So 12 divided by 0.6 times 100. Oh, that point didn't work. 0.6 times 100. 2,000 millilitres. Okay, this leads on to the part B, so we need that answer, 2,000 millilitres. Write it down before I forget it. Okay, the millimetres answer from part A, which is this here, is going to be administered as 20 drops per milliliter infusion over the 48 hours. Determine the drops per minute required. Okay, we've got 2,000 millilitres. Each milliliter is going to have 20 drops. So altogether, we've got 40,000 drops. Okay, that's the total number of drops. That's going to be over 48 hours. So if I divide it by 48, we get 83.33333. It's 833.33333. That's every hour. I want to know how many drops it is per minute. There are 60 minutes in an hour. I'm writing the wrong thing here. So I'm going to divide by 60. And we get 13.88. We're asked for our answer to the nearest whole number. So it's the nearest whole number, that would be 14 drops per minute. Okay, on to the graphical part then. Graph below shows the age categories of guests in a hotel. What age group was the most in Ireland? So in this part here, or the Irish was actually. I get confused when I looked at this graph and made up these questions. So we're looking at this part here, which one's got the most, and it would be the child. When you do your actual assessment, these graphs will be more related to medicine. I just couldn't find any today that related to medicine. Okay, second part, same graph. It's estimated the number of seniors visiting Ireland. This is me, I've read this question wrong when I've looked at it to begin with. So it should be the number of seniors from Ireland will increase by 50% over the next week. How many are estimated to visit this hotel from Ireland, not in Ireland? Okay, so the seniors then starts here at 13, goes up to 17, so there is 4. 50% of 4% just means out of 100, so you can still do this as 50 divided by 100 times 4, or you can just work it out. It's 2 extra, add it on, so there would be 6 seniors from Ireland visiting the hotel. Okay. Graphical section 2, looking at a different kind of bar graph. How many more people in millions watch Sky Movies than Disney? Sky Movies was 35, Disney was 10, take them away, it'd be 25. And the fact that it's saying in millions there is because it's the viewers in millions here, but your answer of 25 will be fine. Same graph, Sky Movies had a special offer. They want to increase their viewer numbers by 10%. So right now there's 35 million of them. Don't worry about the million because our answer is just going to be millions anyway. So 10% of 35 is 10 divided by 100 times 35, which comes out as 3.5. Add it on, 35 add 3.5 will be 38.5 million viewers. Last question. We've got a graph here and we're asked what's missing, and what's missing from this graph is the key. Generally speaking, every graph should have a title, a key if it's talking about more than one thing. Both axes should be labelled, both with a title of what the axis is and the scale labelled on the side as well. Okay. Feel free to have another go at the assessment now you've watched this and see if it's helped with any of the questions.